this video, I'm going to show you some of the capabilities of the completion tracking function in Vision. Completion tracking is a new function in Vision, and it's actually a pretty powerful tool to use when you're starting to make that migration over to online learning. What completion tracking actually does is it requires something to be done before a student can advance in your course. This course right here, and the course that you guys are going to be using, you may have used for Vision training, um, has completion tracking turned on. You'll notice that there's these little check boxes on specifically identified things that these tasks must be accomplished in order for the student to advance on in your course. You'll notice typically these two boxes look different. This one has check like dashes around it, while these two do not have the dashes around it. The difference between the two is the one that does not have the dashes, the user themselves can check this off. So for example, if I've done all these learning tasks right here, I can simply check this box, and now it has notified me, or I've notified the instructor that I've done this task. And this checkbox up right here, you notice that it has the little dashes around it. What that means is that there's actually has to be something done within that activity before this user can advance on. So one of the things it could be is that if at the end of a particular topic, you could have a quiz where the students have to get a grade before they can advance on in the course. You can also set it up so that there's a discussion board and a student has to post and respond to somebody else's post before they can advance on. It's a great way to force users to do certain tasks prior to moving on in the course. So you'll notice right now this course ends right here at the check for understanding. But as soon as I check this box right here, I will have met the requirements for the next section because this is done and this is done, and a new section will automatically show. So if I click this, you notice the page reloads, and you'll notice I have now a new section for me to work on. And again, I have some more stuff that I have to do. I have to check on this box, say I did that task. Notice the next section didn't show. It's not because I have not hit all the requirements. The next one I would have to do is I actually have to post in this discussion board in order for this to be checked and me to advance on. So there's some really cool functionality that you can use in completion tracking. It's really just how you want to set it up. You can use completion tracking all the way to a certificate, which is what is at the end of this particular course here, where they've met all these standards. And once they've met all these standards, you're providing them a certificate for validation that they have done all the things in your course.